Papa al pomodoro is a traditional Tuscan dish with the consistency of a creamy soup. Let's make it together. Wash the tomatoes thoroughly. Cut a cross on the bottom of each tomato. Soak in boiling water for 5 minutes. Drain and plunge in cold water. Remove the skin. Cut the tomatoes into chunks. Place them in a bowl and set aside. Cut the bread into chunks as well. In a frying pan, put oil and garlic. Add the chopped onion. After a few minutes, add the tomatoes as well. Season with salt and pepper. Add a few basil leaves. Cook for 10 minutes. Add the stale bread and mix well. Cover with broth and cook for 40 minutes on low heat. Remove the garlic. Serve and top with oil and basil. Enjoy your meal and keep cooking with Cookaround.